In the global push for green living and energy conservation, refrigerator efficiency remains a top concern. Glacier phase change coolant is leading a revolution in this field. This innovative material absorbs and stores cold when the fridge cools, then slowly releases it as internal temperatures rise, acting like a built-in mini cold storage to buffer fluctuations. By reducing compressor start-stop frequency, it solves traditional refrigerators' energy-wasting frequent startups. It also stabilizes internal temperatures, enhancing food freshness while eliminating energy waste from uneven cooling, ensuring every kilowatt-hour is used effectively.